Hello, I'm Suvitha with Experience UGA, and I'm here at the UGA Fine Arts Building for our virtual third grade field trip. The folks at the theater department and with the children's theater troupe have been working super hard with our Experience UGA team and ambassadors to make this virtual field trip experience the best it can possibly be. Although we can't meet in person right now, we still have so much we want to show you. Whether in person or virtual, the third grade field trip focuses on teaching students about folk tales and performance art. Normally, I'd meet you on campus at the Fine Arts Building, but for our virtual trip, please click around and explore your Bitmoji classroom to find different content and activities related to these topics. And check back often as we continue to update the classroom to best serve you. There are puppet making activities and other crafts along with a sample production by the Children's Theater Troupe. This content is best used over a couple of days rather than all at once.
And this is our lovely Experience UGA virtual website. You can find the third grade trip content under this tab, and you just navigate to the third grade web page. And this is where all of our lovely content is. Here you'll find a video from our ambassador team for the third grade field trip. And as you scroll down, you can find these Bitmojis to click on and explore the different activities. If you click on the Bitmoji itself, you can learn more about that specific ambassador. There's a video here about what content will be coming soon, and you can just kind of click around as we continue to update this page.
So yeah, thank you so much for letting me show you around this virtual trip a little. Remember, all the virtual trip content can be found at experienceugavirtual.uga.edu. And if you have any questions, email us at experienceugavirtual@gmail.com. We hope to see you in person real soon, but until then, we hope you have fun, and thank you for taking this virtual journey with me.